Hello, friend. This is Sanjeev Divedi. We're going to talk about another program on structure. Now, what the program says, let's see, we need to create a structure student and with data member as name, roll number, and percentage. And we need to read details for three students. Now, here I'm purposely taking three. It can be 5 student, 10 student. But why I'm taking three? Because then I have to enter details that many times. If it is five, then I have to enter details 5 times. 10, we have to enter details 10 times. Just for the ease of execution, I'm asking to read details of the three student and display details of the student with highest percentage. This is the program is. So type def we have already discussed in last video. It is better to declare use type def so that every time when we write student, there is no need to write struct student. So we created a structure. The structure will have name, roll number, and percentage. The name of the structure is student. I created three will. Now S1, S2, S3. If I write S1, S2, S3, that is okay for three. But suppose it is 5, 10, then it is better we create array of student. Now how it will work? It will work something like this. I've created three now. So there will be array of three variable, something like this. The first will be s of 0, second will be s of 1, and third will be s of 2. Please bear with these annotations. So even this will have name, roll number, percentage, even name, roll number, percentage, name, roll number, and percentage. Let's see the size. The size will be 20 bytes plus 2 bytes plus 4 bytes. So size of each of these will be 26 bytes. So I've created S of 3. Now, enter details of the student. The loop will iterate 3 times, so 0 to less than 3. Like for first student, enter name. So first it will be S of 0 ka naam, then S of ampersand S of 0 roll number, S of 0 ka percentage. And then S of I become 1, S of 1 ka naam, S of 1 का roll number, S of 1 का percentage. I become 2, S of 2 का नाम, 2 का roll number, and 2 का percentage. We will enter details. Now, we have to display details of the student with highest percentage. Now, the logic is same as that of finding the largest element in the array. Now, suppose the percentage here is 80. Here it is 95. And suppose here it is 75. So S of 0% is 80, S of 1% is 95, and S of 2% is 75. I want to display details of the student with higher percentage. Suppose name is A, roll number 1, name is B, roll number 2, name is C, roll number 3. So how we will find? It says that we will assume let the percentage of the first student be max. So your max is S of 0 ka percentage. S of 0 ka percentage is 80. So let's max be 80 and P is 0. Why? Position. So right now the maximum percentage is 80 of the student at position 0. Now same like the way we discussed, it is to find the largest element in the array. Then I will start from 1. Kya S of 1 ka percentage? What is S of 1 ka percentage? 95. Is it greater than max? 80? Yes. So now new max is S of 1 ka percentage, that is 95, and P is 1, means like now the highest percentage is 95, and that too of the student at position 1. I plus plus, I become 2. 2 less than 3? Yes. Is S of 2 ka percentage? S of 2 ka percentage is 75. Is it greater than max? Max is 95. No. So max remains 95 and P remains 1. I plus plus, I become 3. 3 less than 3? No. So what we did is we found the maximum percentage at the important aspect is finding the position. So if here the position remains 1. So what we have to do, we have to display the details of the student at position 1. Now, so details of the student with max percentage, it is S of P, P is 1. So S of P dot name, S of P, P is 1. So S of 1 dot name, answer will be B. S of 1 dot roll number, it will be 2. And S of 1 dot percentage, it will be 95. So in this way, I mean, we could have created an array of 5 students. It will be S0, S1, S2, S3, S4. And everything will remain same. Instead, it will be from 1 to 5 here. So let's see the execution. So here we have enter details of student. For first student, enter name ABC, roll number 101, percentage, let's say 70. What we discussed, that was 80. Okay, fine, 80. For second student, enter name ABC, peak element, roll number 102, percentage 95. So it is the percentage of LMN with roll number 102 is 95. For third student, let's say XYZ, roll number 103, and it was, let's say, 70. See, the details of the student with max percentages, LMN 102 and 95. So this was what we intended in this particular program. Let's go back to the program. We'll see once again. So like we discussed, we created a structure with the name student with data member as name, roll number, and percentage. We created an array of structure variable. We read the values into the structure variables. We have entered it s of I dot name, s of I dot roll number, s of I dot percentage. This is the logic. And this is, see what variation can happen is here instead of student, it can be structure player with data member as name, number of matches, number of goals. And we could have, we could have been asked to enter details of 5 players and display details of the player with highest number of matches. So what will happen? Everything remains the same. Here it will be name, number of matches, number of goals. And here let max be s of 0 dot number of matches. So everything remains the same. Only what will, see, there can be variation. It could be a structure employee with data member as name, employee ID, and salary instead of percentage. And they could ask me to accept details for 5 employees and display details of the employee with highest salary. So here it will be max equal to, let's say if the array name is E for employee, we can write max is E of 0 dot sal, SAL, and so on. So if we get an employee with salary higher than this, then it will be new largest salary. So this is the only variation that can happen here. And then we have displayed the details of the student. P is very important because P gives me position. Max only give me the highest value, but we need position because it's not only the percentage that I'm supposed to display. It's the name, roll number of the student associated with that percentage. Now, if now student may ask if there are more than one student with percentage 95, I'm okay with it because I'm not modifying my program for that. Here, the basic intention is to teach you how to work with array of structure variables. So that is for this program. Thank you very much.